Hi, Dolly. You wanted to chitter chatter? Well, there you go. Hello, Dolly. Happy Wednesday, good people. Would you like to have a talk to the good people? You were telling me a big story before. You want to tell the people what you were telling me? And there's more. That's right. What else happened? Yeah, people are on the TV, they're watching. They're saying, hello, Dolly. Yeah. Kisses? Ah, kisses. Mwah. Mwah. Kisses. Do you tell the good people all your new words and sentences you're saying? Like, there's a few words. What about, I'm a bird? You said that one before, hey? I'm a bird. You say it with pride though, hey Dolly? You say, I'm a bird. Oh, is it time for a preen? Getting late, is it, Dolly? You haven't yet? Look, oh, a little bedtime. You'll probably notice she starts off with a tummy. Dolly, would you like some privacy? Yeah, and then you go under your arms and you do your little leg stretches. You do a little routine before bed, don't you? Yeah. Would you like to say goodnight, good people? Pretty good. Ah, whistles. Oh, thank you, darling. Oh, a little scratch.